Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're continuing the build on our super wrecked F150 that we had to do a frame swap on. Now we got it all painted and finally the parts came in. So we're gonna get those parts painted. After we get it painted, we're gonna start working on the framework. So we gotta pull the radiator supports to one side, get it all straight, replace the lower radiator support bracket, and then we can just put it together and see how it goes. So let's get straight to work. Okay, so we're back in the paint booth and the parts finally came in. So we got them all scuffed down, we wiped them down, we waxed and greased, tack cloth. We're ready to put some sealer on it. So we got the fender we're gonna paint. We got one of the little headlight, I guess, brackets or fillers or something like that, and the hood. So I mounted the hood this way so we can paint it on the inside and on the outside. So we'll save some time. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so just like that, we got the hood painted, turned out really good. We got the fender painted and this molding. All right, let's keep working. Okay, so we got the parts painted. We're gonna let that dry. While it's drying, we're gonna start working on the framework. So we got this bar finally came in. Here's this bar, so it is bent. So we're gonna grab it right here and we're gonna try to straighten it out. And then we're gonna try to pull these little brackets until the mounts fit. So let's get straight to work. Okay, so we did pull this out and it did rip on us, which is fine, but we got it a lot straighter now. And this moved forward, but it looks like our bolt is still off, so we have to shift this whole thing that way. And then that would mate up right there. So next thing to do is hook it up so we start pulling it to the right. All right, so just like that, we got to pull to the side, to the right side, and it's lining up really good right there. It's lining up right there, as long as it focuses. So next thing to do is we're gonna unscrew these bolts, and then we have to drill these ones out and put that bar in. Let's keep working. Okay, so like that, we got the lower radiator support on. We pulled it a little bit, looks good. Next we can put the upper radiator support on, then we can put the fenders on and keep assembling. All right, so just like that, we have the bumper on, we got the grill, we got the headlights, the little headlight fillers. We are still missing a little bracket right here, but that shouldn't be a big deal whatsoever. But the frame looks good. The upper radiator support all looks good now. We just have to clip everything in. But we still got to take everything apart just to get the radiators in there and the condensers and all the wiring and everything like that. But at least we're ready to take this thing off the frame machine. So let's clean up, take this thing off, and see what else we can do. All right guys, so the truck is outside, and let's see how this color match did. Well, it looks good to me. So let's check out the front end once again because it's off the thing. We had to tape that up because apparently the bumper has come off to get that on nicely, but I think it turned out really nice. I mean, we still have to take it all apart and then we can fine tune it afterwards. But the next thing we could do is actually put the interior together. So we got the carpet, we gotta wipe it down a little bit inside, and then we'll put the carpet in, and then we'll put the seats in, make it look complete again. Let's keep working.
All right, guys, and just like that, it's looking so much better. Honestly, we're out of the woods. It's looking like a truck now that you actually want to drive compared to before. It was out in the field, grass everywhere, so salvaged, so destroyed, but now it's looking like a truck. So honestly, a lot of progress on it. Paint job looks amazing. Interior's coming together. I'm honestly really happy how it's turning out. We definitely still need a lot of little things. It's always those little things that take time. It's gonna, honestly, here and there, you gotta check engine light just in case, some sensors, gonna definitely check that out, figure it out. Little things, the turning signal is broken, so we gotta fix that. A lot of little parts, they're always tedious. They honestly do take a lot of time because it doesn't seem like a big deal, but by the time you figure out the problem, keep going, next, it's like 3 days later. But it's not bad. Like I said, a week ago, it was destroyed, and now it's coming together. But that's all the time we have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're definitely gonna get this thing on the road for sure next time. It's gonna be complete, so make sure you don't miss out. Turn on that notification bell. See you next time.